Two men who were listed as persons of interest in the murder of Police Corporal Kamal Main are now in custody. The men reportedly surrendered to the police last week. The cops say a third person of interest, Shaquille Johnson, was fatally shot in a police operation in Old Harbour, St. Catherine last Wednesday. Our news centre was informed that the two suspects are being questioned by detectives attached to the Major Investigation Division. Corporal Main was attacked and fatally shot by hoodlums at his home on Claremont Drive in Old Harbour on May 17. His firearm was taken by the killers. The 20-year veteran of the Jamaica Constabulary Force was stationed at the Darling Street Police Station.